The following syntax can be used to declare a multi-dimension array. So in a multi-dimension array, for defining the multi-dimension array, we are using data type, variable name, first is row, then second is column. The row and column is used. Numeric array, 2 row and 3 column. The 2 row and 3 column is used. Numeric array, 2 row and 3 column. Okay. The following figure shows an schematic representation of the array element in the memory. In a row wise, it is 0 and 1. It is 0, 1, 2. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. It is 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 2. Okay. That is a semantic representation. Clear? So once an array is declared, you need to populate it with the value. Okay, so you have to store a value over there. The process is known as initialization of array. After defining an array for storing the value, that is called the process of initialization. So here we define numeric ARR 5. Okay, so we are defining a numeric array. Value is like 14, 15, 17, 45, 81. So these are the value I am initializing here. It is called as the initialization of array. 5 element I have to. If I give a 6, then 6 element I have to store. Okay. The next part, see there. When you store the multi-dimension array, it is store the element in a 3 row and 3 column. 3 row and 3 column it is defined. Okay. See that it is same in all the programming language. In every programming language, the array declaration is same in the form of whether it is a single dimension array or multi-dimension array. Everywhere the value is same. So here we define 3 row and 3 column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So it is a first row, second row, then third row. Initialize it after the declaration. Okay, so here we are initializing the value after the declaration. Numeric ARR 5, array 0 14, array 1 15, 2 17, 3 45, 4 is 81. So here I have stored the 5 element in the array. Clear? Single dimension array using concept of keyword. So here we are using accept array 0, array 1, 2. So here the index number, it is what? Here it is asking the user to store the value. When I say user को पचारिबो जे value दियो जे display enter the value in array. तो जेतेबेले value आमे दबा सेटा first value टा 0 index रे store हबो. Array index number is starting from 0. Then it is what? Then 1. They store in a 1 index position, then 2, then 3 index position, then 4 index position. Okay. So after declaring and initializing an array, you may want to display the element on the screen. You can use the display keyword to display the element of an array. You can display a particular element of an array by providing its subscript along with its array name. Okay, subscript value or array name you have to provide. Okay. The numeric RA5, RA0 14, 1 15, 2 17, 3 45, 4 81. Now it is display RA1 15, RA2 17. Okay. बुझी होची ଏଠି କଣ ହେଲା ନା ମୁଁ ନ୍यूमेरिक RA5 5 एलिमेंट एटी स्टोर कली तो जो एलिमेंट टा मते डिस्प्ले करिवार अछि मु एटी डिफाइन कर देली RA1 तो एटा 15 एटा 15 शो कला RA2 देन एटा 17 शो कला बुझिला दिस इज मल्टी डायमेंशन array 3 row and 3 column तो 0 row 0 column 14 0 row 1 column 15 0 row 2 column 17 1 row 0 column 18 okay. So tell me which one of the following option do you need to provide along with the array name while displaying a particular element of an array?
Subscript.
Subscript. Good. Which one is the following option to valid statement to initialize a single dimension array?
First. ना
First. Okay. Write a pseudocode to declare a single dimension array of size 10 and initialize the value 0 1 2 3 4. Avoid that. The question टा लिखी नहीं हो
ଆଉ ଥରେ ଟିକେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଇଏଟା ଥିଲା ଓକେ
begin numeric array 10. So 10 element we store. When it is display the 9 element. So 0 to 8 element, so 9 element का show बुझेला
ଆରେଟା ଆଗକୁ କିଛି କାମରେ ଲାଗିବ ମାନେ କୋଉଠି ମେନ୍ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ରେ କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହବ ଆରେ ମାନେ କାମରେ ଲାଗେ
ଏଇଟା ଖାଲି ଡିକ୍ଲାରେସନ ପାଇଁ ଦେଇଛି ନା write a write a pseudocode that declare and initialize an array A, okay, of size 10. Can you access the element 10? Huh?
କାହିଁକିନା 0 ରୁ ଯେହେତୁ ସାଇଜ ଅଛି 10 ତ ଆମର 0 ରୁ 9 ଯାଏ ରହିବ ନା
Good.
ତ ଏ 10 ହିଁ ଆସିବ
So while initializing and displaying the value stored in an array, you might need to repeat most of the code. This process, this increases the length of the program. The repetition of the code in a pseudocode that uses the array can be avoided by using up loops. So one by one you write accept statement, which makes lengthy of your program. Okay, so that we're using while loop. Numeric array 5, array 0 is 14, array 1 is 15, array 2 is 17, 3, 45. Okay. So here you are storing the 5 element. Now for retry the element, we are using 0, 0 less than 5. Condition is true. It is printing you array 0. Then 0 value is increment to 1. 1 less than 5. Condition is true. It is printing you 1 value.
ଏଇ ଜାଗାରେ ଆମେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର କରୁଥିଲେ ନା
हाँ counter use करा बेटे I value use करा okay consider an example that accept and display the mark obtained by a student in 5 subject using loop. Let me show you closer. Sorry. Start numeric I, then marks 5. The 5 subject mark you can accept. The display enter the marks of the 5 subject, which is starting from 0, 0 less than 5, condition is true. So till that it is accept the mark and it is increment the value. Okay, it will check every time if I equals to 0, no, and is I. So first of all, suppose we are accepting a mark. Display enter the marks of 5 subjects. We are entering 5 subjects. I is equals to 0, we are initialize that. 0 is greater than 5, 0 is less than 5, yes, then accept mark RA0 mark. Suppose we are entering 60, I plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 is less than 5, condition is true, accept mark. It is up to going to 5. Then when it is 5, 5 is less than 5, no, 5 is not less than 5, then I is equal to 0, I is now converted to 0. Is 5 is less than 5, no, then it is coming to the end. Okay, clear?
ଏଟାର ସୁଡୋ କୋଡ୍ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମାନେ
हाँ it is दो साइडेड होता है दो साइडेड सपोज हे गला 5, 5 is less than 5, no, no हेले I equals to 0 हे गला, 0 is less than 5, condition is true, the display mark 0. तापर पुणे I value increment हला, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 is less than 5, condition is true, display marks 1, so it is giving you mark 1. Okay, so this process is continue. Clear? This is a pseudocode. Numeric I marks 5. The display enter the mark of 5 subject. I equals to 0. 0 less than 5. Condition is true. Then accept mark. I value is increment to 1. 1 less than 5. Condition is true. Okay, then marks. So this process is continue up to you are taking the 5 subject.
सर ଏଟା ଦି ଥର ଫର୍ କାଇଁ କରାହେଇଛି
Voilà.
ଦି ଥର ଫର୍ କରାହେଲା ମାନେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ରେ ଥରେ ଫର୍ ତ ହେଇଥିଲା ନା ମାନେ ଫର୍ ଲୁପ୍ ଟା ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ରେ ଥରେ ପଡିଥିଲା ତ ଯୋଉଠି ଆମେ କରିଥିଲେ ଯୋଉ
होची एक्सेप्ट करिया पे थरे होची डिस्प्ले करिया.
अच्छा एक्सेप्ट କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଥରେ ଡିସପ୍ଲେ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଥରେ
So consider another example where you want to accept two-dimensional numeric array and display its element. Okay, so here we are defining a function to accept the value in array and display the function to display the value of array. The function accept, then function display. For display the value we are using numeric array. So main program numeric array 3 row and 3 column. Okay. Then in that value we are calling a accept method. In accept method, it will accept the value. Nested for loop within the another for loop. Okay. Then here, after accept, then you will this display the element.
क्वेश्चन ଟା कोन ଥିଲା ଆଉ ତ ଠିक କହିବ
Accept a function to accept the value of an array and display function to display the value of an array.
एठी हम आई और जे काहे कि नैथिले
I for row, J for column. এটা ক্লিয়ার ହେଇଯିବ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମିଂ ଟିକେ 3 row 3 column ରହିଲା ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଏଠି accept method ଟାକୁ କଲ୍ କଲେ ଏଠି display method ଟାକୁ କଲ୍ କଲେ ଯେତେବେଳେ accept method ଟାକୁ କଲ୍ କରିବା 3 row 3 column ରହିଲା I 0 condition is true then 0 less than 3 okay condition is true so I 0 J 0 it is accept the value then J value is increment to 1 okay I 0 J 1 then J value is incremented to I 0 J 2 okay so in similar way it is taking the 9 element तापर एटी मते डिस्प्ले कला नेस्टेड फॉर लूप माने मुंडे पसी ना पसुनी
कॉल पाए तो हम किछि लिखिलेनी माने आगुर जेमते हम लिखुतले कॉल एया बोली सब किछि लिखा
एटी कॉल है ना एटा होजे मेन
माने आगुर जेमते हम सेटे लिखुतले
एडी एडी कॉल आला था एक्सेप्ट एटी डिस्प्ले टा को एटी कॉल डायरेक्ट लगाई
हमें एठी एया लिख परियोनी जे कॉल एक्सेप्ट बोली समते लिख परियोनी
एटी रिटर्न करछि फंक्शन टा रिटर्न करछि तो एटी आरे ए जो वेरिएबल शो कला तो एटी कॉल करिया किछि दरकार नै बुझी होछि ये प्रोग्राम टा मो दे दउछि माने तुमे आउतरे देखि दबो खातारे लिखि जदि डाउट होला नेक्स्ट क्लास से मते पछारि बुझला so from next class we start with the C programming okay so you now getting some kind of programming concept अगर क्लियर नथला बे सब आसी गला प्रोग्रामिंग हाउ टू राइट ए प्रोग्राम व्हाट इज वेरिएबल व्हाट इज array okay now it is become easy to go for the C programming okay so from tomorrow onwards we start with the C programming okay ठीक है अजय दी तो ए प्रोग्राम टा देखि दबो जदि किछि डाउट रहले तो
पठै चंती सेटा हां पठै ठीक अछि सेटा खातार नोट कर देथिबी
डाउट रहला पछारि होला
आगे सर थैंक यू सर
ठीक है